Snipe Squad, we're going on, boy. I'm talking about on. Back again, it is your boy Snapper Jones, and we back with another lit video, man. If you are new to the channel, boy, if you're new to that Snipe Squad, boy, hit that subscribe button. We are on the grind right now to 10K. That is the goal before the end of the year, so hit that sub button. We need those. Today's video is dedicated to you guys because, as always, if you don't follow me on social media, Instagram, Twitter, you sleep, because I always ask you guys what kind of video should I make, and it's very important because I love making videos that you guys want me to make. In this video, I had a pair, actually they're over here in the cut, man. I had a pair of shoes that were just all beat up, bro. This is the pair right here, okay? So we got the white and red cherry lows. Y'all can see an orange stain on them right here. Orange stains all on the uppers. I don't even know how they got like this. I promise you, I have no idea. The other shoes over here, it don't look that bad, but it still got a few orange stains on the lace, right there on the tongue. Yeah, so these definitely need a nice cleaning. Even the soles needed just a nice little scrubbing, bro. So thankfully, man, RESHOEVN8R sent me this ultimate cleaning kit. Please go to RESHOEVN8R, link is down below. Use my discount code SnapperJones and you will get 10% off any purchase online, period. Now, trust me guys, I know so many people have done videos like this. So many people have done RESHOEVN8R videos. Does it work? But honestly, I've never tried to bring back a shoe like this. Like when I use RESHOEVN8R, I might use a wipe on a pair after I get done wearing them. But I never really, these are stains, bro. Like my mans, they're in there, bro. Like they're in there. I don't even know what this is. I don't know, but I think this will be a good video because I'm about to put RESHOEVN8R to the test, bro. I'm really about to put it to the test and see if I can do it. And I'm about to go like the whole way out, from the laundry kit to like the scrubbing process, and really see if RESHOEVN8R is really hyped up as it's supposed to be. Is this really what it is, boy, or is it what it ain't? So enough of all that talking. Basically, I'm gonna break down what I'm about to do to the shoe and just a few. Alright guys, what we're going to be using to clean these up obviously are RESHOEVN8R products, man. These are highly recommendable, and trust me, I know they get the job done. We're going to be using the advanced sneaker solution that RESHOEVN8R sent over. Also going to be using the sneaker laundry bag, the collapsible bowl, the shoe insoles for the shoe horns to make sure you apply pressure, and to also make sure that any creasing in the toe box is automatically getting pushed out. We also going to be using the sneaker laundry system. This is very important. And last but not least are the two brushes that I'll be using the most, which is the hard bristle brush and the premium soft brush for the uppers. Alright y'all, I am super excited to get this started, man. I cannot wait until these things are back to normal. It's summertime right now, and I've been wanting to rock these, bro, but they were trash. So once again, huge shout out to RESHOEVN8R. Use my disc code down below, and I'm gonna try my best to get these things back popping like they should be. Now, I'm not Restorations with Vic, so I don't know, man. This is really like my first time giving something like a deep clean that needs this much attention, but I'm gonna try to do this my best and just show y'all exactly how to go about it and see if we can bring these back to life. On the ones and twos for this video, I'm gonna have my boy Tay recording, aka Struggling D-Rose. Now look, we've been tallying up the comments, man, and honestly, I don't know whether we gonna keep a cut, man. I'm thinking, I want to say cut, you know what I'm saying? We're going to tally him up one more time in the bottom of the video. Y'all tell me, should he keep the dreads or should he cut, man?
Y'all tell me to cut it, I'm going to cut it, man.
Hey, man. So, this is my studio. I don't know if y'all ever seen my room. I never really did like a tour, but my sneaker studio is over here. Y'all see all the RESHOEVN8R stuff. What I decided to do was just like to not sit down in front of the lights. Y'all won't actually be able to see me put in the work and clean the shoe, so I'm gonna just move over to my kitchen area. Anyways, I'm gonna be over here, Tay gonna be recording, and I'm gonna basically just break down everything we gotta do. All right guys, first thing we gotta do is get the collapsible bowl and use the sneaker solution. And I think you don't only need that much. You just need a few squirts. Just branch big and new, so I gotta take the top off, boy. You know what I mean? There we go, bro. You got the camera, bro?
Yeah, I got it.
Alright, cool. Just checking. So boom, we need a few squirts up in there. Bow, 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 bow. I mean, I did that much because these are trash. Like, these are absolutely trash. And next, you have to unlace your kicks because you don't want to get the strings in the way. You gotta do that separately. So I'm gonna do something real nice, like speed it up and make it go real fast. now they up out of there, we can start to go to work on the shoe. But first, you gotta put the adjustable shoe tree inside the shoe. Like I said, you really use this, number one, so the creasing can be out the shoe. But more importantly, you need that pressure to apply. You know what I'm saying, when you're actually using your brush. Speaking of brushes, I'm gonna probably start off on the uppers of the shoe, so I'm gonna probably need the all-purpose brush for the uppers. That's what I'm gonna use. It's a mesh, so I don't want to use nothing too hard because it'll probably ruin the mesh. So the all-purpose brush for the uppers. Let's get this thing started, man.
Let's go, boy.
Now that the tongue is almost done or basically prepped, I'm about to move to the side of the shoe because it still got dirt and still got some other stuff on it, but it's already working. I can actually see it already coming off already, man. So. Alright, y'all, that's it for that portion. Let me get this up off me. Also, yeah, I forgot to mention, you need this towel, man. This towel is a microfiber towel, so get up all of that stuff up off you fast as you can. But I'm about to rinse this off and see what we got with the first little step of prepping the shoe before we actually go all the way through it to clean, man. See how they came out. Let's see what we got going on. Give it a good old wipe me down. Go ahead and give it a nice little wipe off real quick and just see how they look so far. Remember, guys, we only prepping the shoe. This is just prepping the shoe. And bro, look at that. You can already tell a huge difference. Let me see that, Tay. You can already tell a huge difference. Like the orange stains are already gone. And I didn't even put it in the washer yet, and we ain't even halfway done. We still gotta do the bottoms. We still gotta hit that midsole. Might not even need the sneaker laundry kit for this shoe, bro, which is wild. Now it's time for me to get the soles back right. I think for the soles you use a harder brush. I'm looking for the brass brush right now. I'm gonna go with the brass bristle brush to clean the bottoms of the shoe to get the soles back right. Of course, it's not gonna change them back icy, but it is gonna get a lot of this dirt and then maybe a little bit of the yellowing from dirt up out of there, man. So now it's time to do that. Dip that thing up in there one time, and let's get to it. Alright guys, we just hit the sole up with the hard brass bristle brush. Let's rinse this off and see what they look like now, man, to get all that dirt and grit up off of it. Even these lighten up a little bit, bro. Now we just need a microfiber towel. Give it a good old wipe me down one time. See what we got, bro.
Might be on with something, man.
Golly, there's a lot of water in here. Y'all lying if y'all don't tell me y'all can see an immediate difference in these kicks. Even the soles. You feel me? The soles, of course, they're not unyellowed because that takes a whole nother process. But you can tell the uppers is way cleaner. The soles are way cleaner. Midsoles is back. Like I said, I'm about to do the laces. And honestly, guys, I really don't need the sneaker laundry kit because the uppers is completely clean. Like, do you see any of the orange from earlier?
No, bro.
None of that. All those orange stains I had are completely gone. So I really don't even need to do the laundry kit. Maybe if I get another shoe that's just as beat up as this one and it needs that, I'll take that step, but it's not even to the point where I need it. Like the solution itself. These are a little bit older, so of course there are some yellow, and I did rock these, so you really can't get rid of this. But the entire upper that was completely dirty, this mesh is absolutely 100% clean in no time. What was it? How long it took, bro? Like what, 10, 15 minutes?
15.
If that. It was no more than that. So I'm telling y'all, man, do not sleep. A better up close look coming up, man. Gang. So okay guys, these are the Cherry 11 lows. Like I said, man, as y'all can see, these things are back popping. Now I do have the other shoe over here. Give me 1 second. Okay, a quick little side by side. So this is the shoe that we cleaned with the RESHOEVN8R. As y'all can see, that entire upper, the mesh y'all seen on the B-roll, that entire shoe is clean. The bottoms are still yellow, but that's due to wear, okay? That has nothing to do with the actual solution, but the uppers are basically brand spanking new. The laces are brand spanking new. Compare that to the shoe we haven't cleaned. You can still see a lot of stains on this shoe as well. I just think that shoe got the worst part. See some stains right there on the shoelaces. You see some stains right here on the upper of the tongue. Let me get that out for y'all. Stains right here on the upper of the tongue. You see all those stains right there. You also see stains on the side. So after the video, I'm going to give this one a full deep cleanse too. I just wanted to show y'all, you know what I'm saying, the small little differences, but you can easily tell from the B-roll and just from how nice this shoe looks, man, how good RESHOEVN8R actually is. I just think the solution that they gives you work very fast, man. So like I say, man, these are A1, back to being brand spanking almost, man. So let me know how y'all feel about these down below in the comment section. I mean, 11s, right? 11 lows. It's summertime. It's ready to bring these back out. It's time to bring these back out and have them popping. Shout out to my boy Tay for being behind the camera. I will drop his IG down below in the description as well. Give my mans a follow over there, man. Let me know, should we cut the dreads or not? Like please say cut it, because I want to cut it. And if we cut it, I'm making a YouTube video out of it because they gotta go, bro. Here we have it though, man. RESHOEVN8R, quick video. Like I said, I'm not Restorations with Vic, so I can't really give too much in depth, but all that, I try to give y'all the best video I possibly can with me using this step by step. Hopefully you guys see that. Purchase you some RESHOEVN8R, use my discount code, which is down below. And hey, if you use my discount code, all you have to do is screenshot it, send it to me, whether on Twitter or Instagram. Send it to me and I will shout you out my very next video just for using my discount code, because I appreciate you guys to the max. Until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. Make sure you give me a follow on Instagram or Twitter. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, because we're grinding for 10K before the year is out. Also hit that notification bell so you know exactly when I'm dropping that heat, boy. And until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. Gang, gang.